Hello and good day everyone. Today I'm going to speak about those common mistakes in English that concern adjectives with their independent prepositions. The adjective that I'm focusing today is called opposite. Opposite in the sense that two things are located across from each other or they face each other. You open your door of your house and see the other house. So in this way we say opposite to, opposite from, or opposite of. Their house is opposite of ours. Their house is opposite from ours. Their house is opposite to ours. Which one is correct? One reason that we might say their house is opposite of ours is when we say, for example, ugly is opposite of beautiful or good is opposite of bad. So this is about words, not about things. For things we don't say of, that's about words. Next one, their house is opposite from ours. This might happen because of the interference of your mother tongue, the L1. So this one is also wrong. The right one is their house is opposite to ours. Like the way you see in the picture. You see those buildings are completely facing each other. Now let's look at different ways we can make sentences to convey this meaning in a specific example. Look at those two people. They are sitting right in front of each other. What kinds of sentences can we make to describe this? First, as we just told, they are sitting opposite to each other. Next, they are sitting in front of each other. Next one, they are sitting across from each other. They are sitting face to face. Next one, they are sitting vis-a-vis. Vis-a-vis is a French expression, which is rarely used in English too. Now let's look at these two men. How could you make a sentence to describe the way they are standing? We can say, they are standing side by side. Or they are standing shoulder to shoulder. More commonly we say side by side. And what about these two people, the man and the woman? They are standing back to back. They are standing back to back. That was all about today's video and I hope you liked it. Have fun and stay healthy.